13.
13.
13.
Tätigkeiten.
Activities.
Activities.
Was macht Martha?
What does Martha do?
What does Martha do?
Sie arbeitet im Büro.
She works at an office.
She works at an office.
Sie arbeitet am Computer.
She works on the computer.
She works on the computer.
Wo ist Martha?
Where is Martha?
Where is Martha?
Im Kino.
At the cinema.
At the cinema.
Sie schaut sich einen Film an.
She is watching a film.
She is watching a film.
Was macht Peter?
What does Peter do?
What does Peter do?
Er studiert an der Universität.
He studies at the university.
He studies at the university.
Er studiert Sprachen.
He studies languages.
He studies languages.
Wo ist Peter?
Where is Peter?
Where is Peter?
Im Café.
At the café.
At the café.
Er trinkt Kaffee.
He is drinking coffee.
He is drinking coffee.
Wohin gehen Sie gern?
Where do they like to go?
Where do they like to go?
Ins Konzert.
To a concert.
To a concert.
Sie hören gern Musik.
They like to listen to music.
They like to listen to music.
Wohin gehen Sie nicht gern?
Where do they not like to go?
Where do they not like to go?
In die Disco.
To the disco.
To the disco.
Sie tanzen nicht gern.
They do not like to dance.
They do not like to dance.